Yeah, I got my first bike when I was 9. It was a red Kona Jake. It was probably like the smallest you could get, like tiny wheels.
First bike was a Specialized Alley, which I got when I was 18, and I did London to Paris on it with my family.
Yeah, he used to cycle when he was quite young, so I think he hoped that we'd all get into something like that, follow his footsteps kind of thing.
And then I just used it to commute around London for ages, and then moved out to the French Alps, and that's when I started like riding a lot more.
Never ridden a race bike, like 3 years ago. It's like I used to be a swimmer, and then I got selected for a reality show, getting amateurs on a bike.
Yeah, I started to just really enjoy it. Obviously, like the scenery and riding out there is amazing.
I actually came from a desk job. I was an engineer before, and being able to ride full time instead of trying to mix in the training at night or whatever, it's a really big advantage, and I've seen a lot of improvement over the last couple of months.
I've been since the start of last season. That was my first season with the teams. It's good to come back to the team for the second year. A lot of the differences from last year is we've got a third title sponsor, which has also helped with the finance on the team, and being an insurance company, I think it's helped a lot of the riders. I think it's a lot more professional. Stuff has happened earlier than it has done, so all the kit's been here earlier, all the bikes have been here earlier. Judging on some of the performances on the camp, I think we've got a much stronger squad this year.
And this is my first season with Velosure Stadi Primal.
This is my first year.
It's my first year, so actually a month.
Start of this year really, and I think it's the same for you.
And I'm the same, yeah. Just joined this year, so it's first season with the team.
This is the first time that we've all been together, all as a team really.
So I think having a company like Velosure as a sponsor, I think it's great for everyone, especially coming on camps like this where you need insurance, so having your bike covered, having your kit covered, I think it's a great thing for the team to have. It's just nice to know, even if it's at home, it's insured in my house, it's insured on a training camp, it's insured at a race, so anywhere I go with it, it's insured.
Which makes it easy for us, because the last thing we want to do is organise stuff and be riding our bikes. So when someone else does that, then you can just get on with the job in hand.
My only goal is to win as much as I can.
But then just the whole training aspect of like starting after the off season, where you build up again and do specific training sessions to make yourself better, and like slowly seeing yourself getting stronger and faster and lighter, and that's always really nice, just as a motivation, like little goals that you set and achieve them.
If I didn't want to win races, I guess I wouldn't be a cyclist. I'd probably be in a job that didn't involve hurting myself every day and just constantly being tired. But I think it's worth it in the long run that I'm doing something I love every day. I don't wake up thinking, I've got to go to work. I actually sometimes I wake up thinking, get to ride my bike, and I just love racing really. I've done from the day I started really, so yeah, I couldn't think of anything else I'd rather be doing.